Your Summer of Sellouts event marketing workshop is here. A good or bad summer can make or break your entire year, and most promoters are missing out on the critical strategies that cause their ads to get lost in the noise that comes with Black Friday, competitor events, Christmas, and an overall 10x increase in marketing activity across the board. In this free 1-hour workshop, I'll be taking you through the exact strategies that you need to win the summer event ads battle on platforms such as Meta, TikTok, and Google, and avoid your ads only being shown to people who will never buy tickets during these high spend periods. I'll also show you how to structure your launches around your competitors' events to maximize ticket sales, plus 3 proven techniques to create massive FOMO and buying urgency by capitalizing on those people that are in spend mode across the festive season. These are all strategies that I learned managing successful digital advertising campaigns for brands like NAB and CrownBet, winning awards and spending millions per month in ad spend in ultra competitive markets. I then applied them to grow 3 event brands from scratch into multi-state, large-scale festivals. And now I'm teaching them to you as part of mine and my agency Sellout Digital's mission to empower event promoters to sell out their events with digital marketing. My favorite quote, that most event promoters don't truly understand digital marketing and most digital marketers don't truly understand events, applies more than ever when both the stakes and the competition are at their highest over summer. So follow the link to register for the free workshop and I'll see you in the session.